Alright, so this is my this is my right side door. A little bit of rust here or there, but it's not too awfully bad. I've already taken out the opening mechanism, and need to do some more washing on the internals there, but a little bit of rust on the hinges, big deal. Some there, big deal. And turn it over. See, there she blows. So, some sort of a bump there. I don't know what that is, but I guess I'll find out. I'm not sure. I don't know if this door is aluminum or it's steel, honestly. I want to say it's steel, but don't quote me on that. I'm going to start stripping this here in just a few minutes. My goal is to get this nice and stripped down naked by tonight. And do the next one tomorrow. And there she blows. Right door, I've got the other one drying off after I rinsed it. Some cracked paint there. I don't see any imperfections in there. Well, who knows, maybe there's some, but I did find Bondo on the other one, and kind of a bad job of it too. This doesn't look too awfully bad. And on this underside part here, I had put stripper. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use my flapper disc. I'll just strip off this top layer and make it easier on myself. Yeah. Here we go. Easy peasy. They're not done yet. I got to dry this one off, but probably tomorrow I'll take my drill and flapper disc and so forth to it and strip it down. I've degreased the crap out of this thing. This one's probably dry, I think. Yeah. So let's get a look at this one. Again, we're looking for that blue stuff. That is Bondo. Pretty good thick layer of, I don't know what this was. Oops. But you can see that I don't think it's Bondo. Maybe it is Bondo. Who knows? Yeah, actually I think it is. Because if you look here, you can see that the different layers are how it looks Bondo does. So this door has a good layer of Bondo all over it. I don't know if that's a skim coat. I don't know what the hell they call it, but let's see how the other one looks. It's still drying out. Yeah, some Bondo. Yeah, you can see, for example, here where it's been roughed up. Then someone put some Bondo on that. And I'm not familiar with whether this is an aluminum door or if it's steel. I see no rust forming at all, so maybe it is aluminum. Who knows? I don't know much about this thing. But I am happy to see that these corners here have been... This one was a little messier. Full of paint and shit and junk and not a good smooth line, so... yeah. I'll let this one sit for a while, let them dry out for a while, and then I'll call it a night.